Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can create a personal monthly expenses tracker in Airtable. First up, open Airtable and click Add a Base. Choose Start from Scratch. This is where we'll build your expenses tracker. By starting from scratch, you have the freedom to customize the base to your specific needs. Now that we've done that, create a new table by clicking the plus sign. Name this table Monthly Expenses. This is where you'll record all your expenses. It's important to keep everything in one place so you can easily track your spending. Next up, let's add fields. Fields in Airtable work like columns in a spreadsheet. Click Add Field, name it Date, and select Date field type. The reason we do this is to record when each expense occurred. Next, add another field, name it Category, and select Single Select field type. Here, you can add categories like rent, groceries, utilities, and so on. This helps us categorize the expenses, making it easier to see where your money goes. After adding all necessary fields, it's time to input your expenses. Click on a cell under the Date field and select the date of the expense. Then, under Category, select the appropriate category. Also, add the amount in the Amount field. This is the heart of the process, where you capture all important details about each expense. Finally, let's add a new view. Click Grid View and select Group By. Choose Category to group the expenses by category. This is a powerful feature that allows you to see your spending breakdown per category at a glance. And voila, you now have a personal monthly expenses tracker in Airtable. This tracker will help you gain a clear picture of your spending patterns, ultimately leading to better financial management. That's it for today's tutorial. Keep tracking and see you next time.